Second Wave System Review. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcvs.com. Welcome to my Second Wave System Review. I'm here inside the members area of Second Wave System. During this video, I will be giving you a quick demo and also showing you what is inside the members area of this particular second wave system. See, in a nutshell, second wave system is back to basics method that requires no prior knowledge, and you will be learning a super basic method even if you're a newbie to quickly start earning from affiliate marketing as early as Christmas, even before Christmas. So it is based on the top 5 best-selling products of ClickBank in various niches. So you will be basically this product is put together by Dawood Islam, a good friend, and also he has gone into the basics of what is required to really succeed in affiliate marketing. What the product is all about is they have chosen the 5 best-selling products in ClickBank, and they have showed you how even a basic newbie from the scratch, from the grassroots, they have shown you how you can make money, like selecting an offer, getting selecting the link, and then building a squeeze page, and how to promote this particular link by the traffic sources that are well discussed in this course. So this is if you are a newbie and if you're really looking for to make money on affiliate marketing, yes, you're in the right direction, and you're in the right video. So you have come to the right place, and you have clicked on the right thing. So this is this product which will show you how to get started with affiliate marketing. So second wave system is newbie friendly, definitely newbie friendly, and it doesn't require any experience or any skill, and you can start making money with this particular system. So you can make some you can make some good money with the system, provided you follow these steps correctly. And if this thing sounds like something you're interested in, just click on the link in the description below. Yeah, this will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And I wouldn't like you to miss out on the bonuses, because I have put in a lot of these bonuses, taken a lot of time to put the bonuses for you. And all you have to do is just scroll on my bonus page, just go below this bonus page, and you can just click on any of these blue color links. And the moment you click on these links, it will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this. And you can just click on these, click here to get right access right now. And this link will be live as of 9 a.m. Eastern on the 9th of November, and this is just going to cost you around $12.95 US. I don't want you to miss on the bonuses what I put as I was just talking to you earlier, because these bonuses I've taken these are very complementary with this particular info course second wave system, and it will really help you in getting the best out of this course. So I just want to run through the bonuses what I have put in for you. So the bonus number 1 is what you will be getting access to from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. So this is a bonus course. Will teach you how the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing. So from $0 to $100 in 24 hours is a wonderful course in affiliate marketing. This course is worth your $12.95 of your investment. So the second bonus what I will be giving you is the build your own buyers list automatically. So it always said by affiliate marketers that the money is in the list. Yes, money is in the list. There's no doubt about it. So how to build your buyers list automatically, and this will be teaching you about this particular hack of how to build the buyers list. The third bonus what you will be getting is the lost code. In this is a very good course explaining how to market your products and make some good money online. So this is the lost code which will be teaching you about how to make money online. And bonus number 4 is how to rank your videos in 2020. So in this course I will be teaching you how to rank YouTube videos in the 2020 the best possible ways. I've gone through different ranking factors of YouTube videos, and I will be telling you all these ranking factors and how you can really rank your videos on YouTube. Bonus number 5 is there are bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you, and these are bonus number 1 is Ducky Dollars. Bonus number 2, the Lockdown Formula. This is a course by Jono Armstrong, which is again a course on affiliate marketing, how to make money on high ticket items. And bonus number 6 is how to make money on TikTok. Bonus number 4 is 8 top high ticket programs, and bonus number 5 is the top 7 niches online. So these are the bonuses the vendor has given me to give it away to you. So you're going to get all these vendor bonuses along with my bonuses 100% free of charge, even if you pick up the front end of this particular second wave system, which costs you around $12.95, and there is a downsell to this at $9.95. So the OTO number. So I just want to go to the different OTOs here. OTO number 1 is the second wave pro version, which is going to cost you around 37 US, and downsell at 17 US. Actually, a collection of all Dowd's previous products plus the pro versions of every product worth over $500 in total. So this is OTO number 2 is weekly done for you campaigns, which is going to cost you around 97 US, and there's a downsell at 47. So OTO number 3 is reseller rights. OTO number 4 is steal our traffic. Put your pixel on Dowd's previous pages and take advantage of tens and thousands of proven buyers. And this is OTO number 4. OTO number 5 is VIP package, which is going to cost you around 37 US, and a downsell at 17 US. This is a free VIP upgrade to all 25 of Dowd's site in MMO niches. Plus, put a banner of your choice in the rotator of all the 25 sites on a permanent basis, whatever. This is a fantastic package, because you can steal a lot of traffic from what is getting from this particular niches with a fantastic upsell here. You can really pick this up. So this is and you can come and have a look at your own time. I don't take much of your time on this particular this one. Now one more thing is, how do you get your bonuses? So what you have to do is, to get your bonuses, you just have to you just have to click the link in the description below. That will take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. You have to click on these blue buttons here, which will take you to the sales page, and there you click on access here, and the moment you press access here, it will take you to the payment gateway of Warrior Plus. And when you click on the Warrior Plus, after you make your payment, you will get a page which shows something like this. And here on the right hand top corner, on the right hand side, you have got a username, which also, and or your affiliate ID. Just click on this link and you will get a drop down menu, and on which there's a thing called purchase history. You can just click on that link, and it will take you to a page, and eventually you will be landing up in a page like this, thank you page or receipt page. Then you click on this green button, you get access to the purchase, and right below the green button is a blue button which says access your affiliate bonus. So click on this button and all the bonuses are waiting for you there. You can just take a look at this particular, you can just get access to all the bonuses here. So just let me have a quick look at the sales page over here. So it's time to get serious. Let's learn how to make money now. This is a really basic down to earth course. I told you, even though back to basics method and no prior knowledge required, no technicals, there's no less, no getting approvals, nothing, no making videos. So it is straightforward. You can make money online with this particular course. Yes, very much true. No, I'll just head out to the members area and show you what is exactly inside the members area here. So here, this is I told you this is a course by my good friend Dawood Islam, and here's a welcome video. You got an overview, main training session in which you got the ClickBank overview, offer number 1, offer 2, all the 5 best-selling products of ClickBank, using the resources, how to promote. It tells you a lot of, it gives you a lot of idea on traffic, conclusion. Then the bonuses, the vendor bonuses are here waiting for you, and there are upgrades here. So I think it's, if you're a newbie and really want to make some money online, this is the course for you. This is the course for you. So I think it's a mini ClickBank University. So you can just pick up this product. This particular thing is available for you at 9.95 US on the downsell. So it's definitely a course worth it, and the bonuses are even will blow up this whole thing. And again, here one more thing is in the resource section, he gives you no Animal Kingdom Anarchy is again an email, is again one of Dawood's courses. Then you got a free squeeze pages and a second wave system free squeeze pages. So here it tells you how to build squeeze pages, and everything is totally included here. And I feel it's really this course is really worth it. So just all you have to do to get access to this, click on the link in the description below. It'll take you to my bonus page and then my sales page, and then finally you come to the members area. So if you're watching this video, there's a 50% chance that you're not subscribed to my channel. So it means a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel and press the like, and if you like the video, press the like and share this for ranking better on my YouTube. So thank you very much for watching this video, and until my next review, ciao.